Hello, welcome to GA for Text YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking you through how to make a watershed delineation map. So here are the processes and some definitions. First you have to download a digital elevation model. So I already have mine here. I downloaded it from USGS Explorer. You want to download from the website, you create an account with them, then you'll be given access to download data from their website. Alright, so I already have the DEM, I already have the boundary for my study area. My study area is Gwabalada, local government in Abuja. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to fill in this digital elevation model. Alright, the essence of the fill tool is to remove imperfections from the data. Okay, so let's do that. We are coming to the tools, the geoprocessing tool. If it's not showing by the side here, you can just come to analysis, double click tools, then you have it opens up. So under spatial analysis tool, I will open my spatial analysis tool and scroll to hydrology. Okay, then I have my fill. So I will input surface raster, which is my digital elevation model, and open up the folder where I want to save my output and give it a name. Alright, so I'm giving it a name. Alright, let's give it Gwagwalada underscore fill with a TIF extension. Do not forget to add your TIF extension. Sometimes it wouldn't ask for it, but sometimes it does, so it doesn't take you back. Just add it. Okay, so I'll click on save, then I'll click run. Okay, alright, so we have our results here. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is to determine our flow direction. Okay, so here I'll also come back to the tools, then flow direction, double click on that. Now our input surface raster will not be our DEM anymore, but now it will be our fill. Okay, the Gwabalada fill. Alright, so I'm choosing the fill, then I'm going to open up the folder and give it a name. I'll give it Gwagwalada underscore flow direction with your TIF extension. Alright, save, then click on run. Okay, great, we already have our flow direction results here. This is what it's meant to look like. Okay, so I'll just turn this off and turn this off. Alright, so next thing we are supposed to do is to determine our flow accumulation. So to do that, we are going to our tools again. Okay, then flow accumulation. Now you said input flow direction raster, so we are working with flow direction now. Okay, so I'm inputting my flow direction, then I'm giving it a name and a folder to save it in. So let me give it underscore flow with your TIF extension. Okay, save, then you click on run. Okay, alright, great, we have our flow accumulation here. So the next thing we are meant to do is to determine our stream order. Okay, so the stream order is like the main work. It's more like an end result. So the stream order is giving rivers and streams a number to show how big or small they are. The smallest streams are given a stream order of 1, and when two streams of the same order come together, they make a bigger stream with the next higher order. and this helps us to understand the hierarchy of rivers and how they join together to form larger waterways. Okay, so the next thing we are doing now is going back to our tools, still under spatial analysis tool, hydrology. Scroll down to where you have your stream order. Okay, so our input stream raster will be our flow accumulation raster, right? That's what we are going to be using. Then you input your flow direction. Okay, then choose a folder to save it in and give it a name. Right, I'll be giving it Bagwalada underscore stream. You can just, let me just name this. Okay, yeah, let's use stream. Let me use O with your TIF extension because we are working with a raster data. Alright, save. Then run. Okay, might take some time. Alright, here is our stream order. Let me turn this off. Right, turn this off. Okay, so now looking at this, it has given it orders, right? We have order 1, order 2. Order 1 is the small river, order 2 is bigger than order 1, is a river bigger than order 1, or a water body bigger than order 1. Then the 3 is maybe two streams with order 2 coming together formed order 3. Okay, so now our stream order is in raster format, so we want to change it to a vector format. All right, so come back to your geoprocessing, that's your toolbox. Then you see stream to feature, still under spatial analysis tool, then under hydrology. Then if you can't find a particular tool, maybe you can start scrolling around, then you can just search for it here. Just type stream to feature, right? So it brought it out, so you just click it from here. Okay, so our input stream raster will now be our stream order. Okay, so then we put our input our flow direction. All right, then yeah, where you want the output to be and what name you want it to have. All right, so let me save it with Watershed because this is our final result. All right, save. Okay, run. Might take some time. Alright, while we wait for that, I can just go over all of this. So yeah, there's always a process for every analysis. Just have to put that process, make sure you know the process, follow the process, and you always end up having the right results. Okay, so we have our stream order in vector format. Right, I'll just turn all of this off. We have them turned off. Alright, so now we can see that you're barely seeing anything, right? Any information. What is this? Okay, so we'll click on our watershed. You right click on that and you click on Symbology. Okay, so under your Symbology here, you have to choose unique values so we can see each order in different colors. Okay, so unique values. All right, if you open your attributes table, you would see that, okay, let me try to open that up so you can understand what I'm saying. Attributes table. Okay, you'll notice that under the grid code, that's where we have our different, okay, I want to arrange that according to order. Okay, so under the grid code is where you have the different stream order. Okay, that's where you have the stream order. So now under the symbology, to give it the unique values, I will choose grid code. Okay, so here it is. We have the different stream orders with different colors, so we'll be able to um differentiate them and see them clearly. But then you have to choose a color that better communicates each and every information very well without stress. Okay, so here is where you choose under the color scheme, you choose a color that, like I said, better communicates the information without stressing your audience. Okay, so alright, if you want to modify these colors, because sometimes you might not see the perfect color here. Okay, might not find the perfect color under this color scheme. Maybe you have your own colors that you want to give um your end result. Okay, so you come here, you right click, right, it brings out the color panel. Then you can choose colors that you, I'll give my stream order one, maybe a yellow. Okay, you can already see that in this our data, this our end result, our watershed delineation. I think we have more of the stream order one. Yeah, I think it's dominant in the area. Alright, I'll right click on my tool and give it maybe yeah, let me give it a light blue. Okay, alright, I'll give my stream order 3. Let's say I'm giving it green, a light shade of green. Okay, alright, then stream order 4, let's say I'm giving it like purple, darker shade. Okay, okay, then 5, let me see. Alright, let me use this. Okay, then 6, let me use a darker shade of blue. Okay, alright, for 7, say darker shade of green. Okay, for 8, see, just choose a color. Alright, let me go with this, something brownish. Alright, then for 9, I'll go in with red because I want to know the string with the highest order. Alright, okay, need to look very unique. It's not so obvious, is it? Right, let me give it a very bright red. Alright, so if you zoom in, you'll be able to see the information properly. Okay. All right. So more you zoom in, you can see the others. All right. Okay. I think using yellow for my stream order 1 is making it not too bright. Okay. So let me give it something like this. I think that should be better. Okay, it's not better, but alright. Okay. Now, if we look at our stream order 2 is this blue line here, right? So where the stream order 1 meets, right? That's where we have our stream order 2, where they meet to form a bigger water body. That's where we have stream order 2, and where two stream order 2 meets, we have a bigger water body, and that gives us the next order. Okay, so now for your presentation of results, you go to insert. Okay, then new layout. Infotech has a video on how to create a map layout in ArcGIS Pro, so I advise you go watch that for better understanding. Alright, so I'll be using A0 on the landscape. Then under my insert, I will insert the map. Okay, draw that. Okay, so this is my end result. So you can always play around this, design your your results presentation anyhow you want it to be, considering your audience, of course, the visibility of what you're trying to communicate. Make sure you're communicating it properly. So and add a north arrow, right? And add my legend on one side. Okay. Always increase that. It's not increasing. Okay, so you can add your legend. Can add your scale bar. Add your scale bar. You can always increase the size here. Please choose the size you want. Increase it as much as you want. The text, the borders, yeah. Okay. So you design it, add the necessary information to the end result, and there you have your watershed delineation map. Okay. Thank you for staying with us, and thank you for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful, or it is helpful to you. Thank you, and we hope to see you again on Infotech's YouTube channel.